So she's going for a walk. Not really a walk, just to take him out to pee in his pee tree. There is his pee tree. Nadulas. Ew, sush. Tapos aamuyin niya. Sariling ihi, tapos aamuyin. Maginaw. It's sunny, but very cold. It's Friday. Kaya walang sasakyan. No cars. The street is silent, quiet. Everybody's still sleeping. It's 9 a.m. 9 a.m. pero tulog pa sila. So she woke me up. Maaga pa, antok-antok pa ako pero so she woke me up. Gusto niyang lumabas. So, okay lang din naman kasi gusto ko din masilayan yung yung araw sa umaga. Morning sunshine. It's good. Pero shaded dito. Hindi naabot ng ng araw. Kaya hindi ako naaarawan. Yay! Ang cute ng flower, oh. Cute niya. Yellow. Wild flower. Matumutubo lang. Hindi nililinis yung aming tapat kasi pag dumadating yung tagalinis, tinatakot ni Sushi. Sushi doesn't like the street sweeper. So our front is always dirty. He's scared from Sush. Sush, enough. Let's go. Can we go in? I'm cold. Naamoy na yung sarili niyang ihi. Ano ba yan? Tapos hey, don't eat grass. Sush is eating grass. Uh-oh. Sush! Oh no. You will throw up again. Pag kumakain siya ng grass, sinusuka niya din. Maginaw. Sushi, let's go. I'm cold. Met umiihi. Ano ba yan? Why you keep peeing, Sush? Tapos may ganon. Parang kabayo. The heck, Sush? That's a lot of pee. Mapanghina yung puno. Sush, let's go. I'm cold. Susu. Sush. Let's go in. Let's go in, Sush. Wala, di naman niya ako. Akala ko papasok eh. Asan ka na? Sush, let's go. Ayaw. Kiniginaw na ako. Sabi ko 3 minutes lang eh. We are more than 3 minutes, Sush. I said we're just going out for 3 minutes. Let's go. Kiniginaw ako. Ubos na. Oh my goodness. Let's go in. Ito yung snails. Kinakain nila yung aking patatas. 4 sila, oh. Pinagtutulungan nila yung isa. Inuubos nila yung ko. Buti na lang. Hindi naman nila inubos lahat. Marami pa din. Yung lang, nakalalay sa ilalim na nakakain nila. Aba, may isang nakaakyat. Paano kaya siya nakapunta dyan? Mahangin. Very cold. It's windy. Giniginawa ko. I feel very cold. Naku, lagot ito, oh. Malaglag yata. Parang hindi naman. Pero nagkamali siya ng direction. You're going on the wrong way. Wala kang makain dyan. Malaglag. Ito yung itsura nila pag daytime. Binaon nila yung kanilang sarili sa lupa. Tapos pag gabi, lalabas sila.